Hello and welcome. I hope it's not too noisy. Um, it's Ira, Meditative scrapbooking. I hope it's not too noisy because my fan is constantly working 24/7. It's very hot, and without it I cannot speak for so long. And today I wanted to show you a new update for my shops, both Etsy and Lovekey. This is going to be another kit. It's different as usual, different from the usual. It has something in common, something different. I'm going to post 4 kits with numbers and detailed pictures, but today in the flip through I'll show you only one, because just not to waste our time. Generally they will all have the same components, but definitely the components themselves will be different, and the package will be package, come on. It will be different because I have an assortment of them. So that's gonna be kit number 1. Let me show it to you. I made it this time completely of different vintage things that I have, and some of them are not very vintage, like this ribbon, for example. Let me show you what I have here. So this is the CD envelope with different embellishments, different things like that. I bought them like 1,000 years ago, and this is my handmade flower, and different tiny surprising things, and some petals of different types and so on. Just an assortment of resin decorations and so on. So, but that's just a little piece. As for the main part, so these are, I'll show it this way. These are the 2 pieces of old vintage lace, cotton lace, that we normally use for, I told you, we used to use them for curtains. You see, it's like of different patterns. Okay, and one more, also cotton. This one is not vintage, but it's pretty, like it's also botanical, and here it is, and it's rather big, I would say. Patterns on the pieces of cotton will be different in all the packages, definitely, but mainly the same color tone. So these are, let's move on. So these are the 2 library books, library register books, or cards that were brought to me by my friends when they were just getting them to the recycling center. She gave them to me. I covered both of them with some tag and stamping, because it has some sensitive information, like address, although these people no longer probably even live there, because these books are very old. But I would say that who knows, it's YouTube, and just didn't want to give it away. And here it's a real pocket, as you can see. I stamped some tags for you. Reach for the stars, dreams come true, life is good. It's the little things that make life better, and property of. So these are the labels that can be used also in your journals. And this one is a little bit smaller, like this. So if you care, you can somehow use them as that, like you see 89 and so on. Or you can just cover that, glue some piece of paper over on top and use like additions to your journals. Here is the assortment of different pages from different books of different sizes, dictionary pages. All of them are mostly in Russian. Some of them are English-Russian dictionaries. Sorry. These are the semi-decorated. Oh, come on, what am I saying? These are the coffee-stained pages from a notebook. You can, these will be different in another kit. And then I have an assortment of book pages, botanical book pages. They are all Russian, and as you can see, they are just amazing, just so very beautiful. This is a magazine page, gardening magazine page, and this one is as well botanical. Okay, then some envelope. One is like semi-transparent with some floral pattern, and one is also full of goodies. Let me show you the goodies. These are all collectible vintage things. Some pictures you see with the botanical theme from, let me see the year. Oh no, I don't see the year. Just come on. Maybe here. It's something like maybe early 2000. Sorry. This one is 2003, also with botanical. Okay, this one says January, and this is for January as well. And these are from another calendar, 2013. Also January, I don't know how it came. And a botanical one. I also have a botanical calendar. So here it is. Next comes the collection of pages of postcards from different not sets, right? And also they all are, this one is very nice. It's so typical, such a typical Belarusian landscape. Okay, these are medicinal plants, and this is the collective, yes, some kind of Georgian, we call them Georgians, I don't know what they are called in English, but these are the flowers that also, like, they are gorgeous. This is about a country house and a country living as well. This also is about a red book plant and another beautiful postcard from this botanical set, and a longer card can be used as a tag or whatsoever. Okay, and some clean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 clean tags to decorate and to use in your box of art. And then comes the big assortment of more botanical pages. again, in every package they will be different. So some more illustrations. The wind is blowing. And these are in Belarusian fairy tales, some dictionary pages, some pages from a magazine of something like 60s. It's young nature lovers. More pages and one more precious thing. This is a very, very old pattern from it's like an attachment to your sewing journal, and as you can see, it's 1981. As you can see, it's about different types of blouses. It's all about the patterns, and you have all of them here, and like this, and even you have some cross-stitch patterns, and I think it's really precious. Oh, sorry, everything is flying away. Some pages from a Czech book. This is also vintage botanical book assortment pages assortment, all of them. There are many, I just don't flip them over because flip them through because it will take even more time. And here I tried to use to pick all the different types of pages. Some of them are double so that you could use them just as a ready page, like these, for example, or these with, you know, I love this quote at the beginning of these passages, and these, and so on. Okay, you see different sizes. Oh, dictionary pages, some more dictionary pages, and another page. This time it's a book for children with patterns and clothes for children. Okay, that's it with the book pages. Now what else I have is another package with a lot of napkins. These are the napkins. They're pretty textured, but I still use them for some mixed media. They were okay. And then we have these and these and that. Some of them are 3 or 2 layered, but many of them are already 1 layered. Okay, like this and this and that and this and one more and yet one more and again. Yeah, I finally realized I will never be able to use them all, and that's why I'm giving them. This one is nice, orchid, and just a basic one. Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, here we go. Okay, some more rare finds. This is And these actually are the 2 pieces of pages from old Soviet Union photo albums. This one is directly from 60s. As for this, I'm not sure what age it is, but you can see that it's the backs and the edges are very nice. Okay, and I have some addition. Yes, here are 2 interesting cards, also from my library friend librarian, and it's the invitation to the inventory. Actually, it's like, you see the paper, which is definitely recycled paper with all these particles and insects. So yeah, and 2 music pages. So I'm gonna list them both in both shops, in Etsy and in Lovky. Moreover, and again, the prices will be rather different because in Lovky I don't have to pay that many. I have to pay a fee, but not double fee, at least as much as when I pay in Etsy. But for those for whom it's more convenient, Etsy listing also will be made. And in these shops I will also provide more pictures for different collections for all the kids, with all the different pictures. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry, I'm really I can feel how what I sound like, and it's like my thoughts cannot get, I just cannot catch them. They are floating, and it's heat. It's everything about tremendous heat. It's like very unusual for our northern region. It's like, okay, 1 week of such, or maybe 2, but it's almost a month so far, and it's unbearable. I'm gonna stop being so grumbling, and so I will see you soon in another video. See you, bye bye.